So pray for us because we're not gonna do everything. Alright, and what you know you answer. Alright, so hi guys. Can you see me?
Oh yeah, Professor Jesus.
Yes, so hi guys. I do another YouTube video. So we're gonna do some challenges.
I shall go lose.
But let us remember, let us just remember something. It's just a challenge to have fun, right? This does not mean that we don't know, right? Everything, right?
Sometimes we just remember.
And you know when you're under pressure, sometimes your memory go. So it's me. You know Vashti.
Me work well under pressure.
This is my memory.
Hi.
So the theory. And Horace will be asking the questions.
Yeah, nice. Nice.
Horace will be asking the questions, yeah? So stay tuned. So pray for us. Because we're not gonna do everything. Alright, and what you know you answer. And hopefully we hear and get the answer to, alright? So yeah.
Alright, gentle folks, good afternoon, ladies. Yeah, man. Alright, so this quiz for today, we have two sections. Not a lot of questions, and their questions are very easy. Alright? Now, for the first section, each individual will answer 5 questions each, and each question will be worth 1 point. So here we go. The first question goes to Vashti. In what book and chapter can we find the story of Joseph?
Genesis. It starts Genesis 39.
Chapter necessary? Me can answer?
No.
But chapter
30.
necessary?
But we know say Genesis. Genesis though.
This is 37.
I'm not close.
Anyway, hold on. Alright. Second question goes to Jen. What does John 14 verse 15 say?
If you love me, keep my commandment.
Ding ding. 1 point. 1 point.
Someone I get half point for Genesis.
No.
No. Skip one.
I pass?
Pass one. No, you can't pass.
Leah, question to Leah. What was Paul's occupation?
Oh. Carpenter.
Wrong answer came first.
Joke too much.
Wrong answer came first.
So that was a trial, right? So
No.
we're going to get the actual question now.
Actual question.
Vashti, I am a judge and a prophetess and the wife of Lapidoth.
That easy, Deborah.
Deborah is correct. Jen, in what book and chapter can we find Deborah's story?
Judges. You know what chapter?
The upper dress. So?
Judges. Is it Judges 7? You know.
Judges chapter 4.
Nobody try.
Alright.
Yeah, Gideon won't start this one. Forward.
Leah, in
Just
which
sweat. Oh my God.
in which Leah, Vashti, forget that point for Deborah. Leah, in which testament and book can we find the story of Ananias and Sapphira? Which testament and book can we find
Which
the
testament?
story
Old Testament.
of Ananias
That's a one
and Sapphira?
Right? No Old Testament. No, New Testament. So that's a 1 point.
It's a 1 point question, miss.
But a 2 question. Where's the New Testament and what?
I never say which testament, I ask which testament and book you find the story, you know.
Paul. Paul is
Paul is not a book.
Wrong.
Wait, I eat and distract me. Move!
Wrong. Wrong.
I might distract me.
Alright.
I can watch this.
Vashti.
It's not right.
Yes.
Vashti.
Yes.
Bible character.
That's me.
Begin with the name of S.
Saul.
Correct.
I can give more?
No, that's one.
Calm yourself, man. I remember saying you're not scholar.
Alright, Sister
Says
Jen.
you.
Sister Jen.
I drink some water.
Bible character beginning with the letter G.
Gideon.
This man bigger than the
Gideon.
Correct.
Because there's some X or Y or something.
Leah. Bible character, the name starts with the letter A.
Abimelech. No. I know you can't get it right. Excuse. What about the talk to the bird?
Wait.
Well, I'll compose both of them. By the time I get it sitting right.
Alright.
You can say
Complete the following.
I don't know that one.
Who that me?
Lad.